Our next presenter really gets to the heart of what we're at here with the conference about decisions. It's about using ds.iu. Search less, discover more with ds.iu. And our presenter is Julie Parmenter. So please put your hands together. Give a big welcome to Julie.
Hello. Thank you so much. Wow, it's really cool to be up here. It's kind of like being at the Grand Ole Opry and you get to stand on the little circle or whatever. I don't know. Anyway, I am Julie Parmenter. I'm the manager for Enterprise Decision Support, and I'm here to talk to you about how you can search less and discover more with ds.iu.edu. DS being decision support. And first of all, what is it? It's a portal. It's for reporting. It's modern. It looks nice. Has a real clean, pretty interface. It's also responsive. It looks really nice on your cell phone. It looks nice on your tablet, as well as your desktop computer. And what it is not menu-based, it's not link-based. And what I'm showing up here is a picture of our older reporting portals. You're seeing the IUIE on the bottom and the CBI on the top. So DS looks a lot different than that. It does look a lot like One, and there's a good reason for that. And the good reason is that it's a tenant of One. It's based on the same code that One is written on. So while One uses the App Store model, then DS uses a report center model. And it all starts with search. That's the way you find the reports that you want. In DS, we have almost 600 reports published. They are reports that exist in the IUIE, some of the more popular ones there, as well as popular Tableau reports. And as you've heard this morning about the Decision Support Initiative, those reports are all there in DS for you to see. So you start with searching, so you just start typing something that you're looking for. In this case, I'm interested in Tableau usage statistics. We've heard a lot about Tableau today. My good friend Namrata was up here talking about it, so I just want to see what the adoption is like. So I start typing Tableau usage statistics, and DS has found a report with that same name. Fancy that. So I click in. I want to know a little bit more about it. So I can click in and I can see a description of the report. I can see a screenshot of it and also some contact information. So if I have questions, I can ask someone about that report. I can also see what the quality of the report is like based on user reviews. In this case, and this is really a real report that's out there, it has 2 5-star ratings, so that gives me some confidence. I can also see related tasks. So if this isn't quite what I'm looking for, I can see something that might be more to what I want. And if there are any announcements. And so I'm thinking this is something I want to look at, so I'm going to click in and execute the report. And DS passes me through to the Tableau server where my report is executed, and this is it. So you can see Tableau is really picking up here. There are other ways to search and find reports. You can set favorites. DS will collect your most recently used. DS will also collect the most popular reports. You can also search by category and search by campus. So these are my favorites. I'm the manager for Enterprise Decision Support, so it's really no surprise that one of my favorites is our Report Center. Also, another one of my favorites is a Gantt chart of our nightly batch schedule that loads the data warehouse. But I'm kind of loving this Tableau usage report, so I'm going to go into it. There's a little pink heart in the upper right, and I'm going to click on that, and now it's one of my favorites too. You can also see your recently used. This section is editable, so if you don't like some of the reports that have been chosen to be there, you can remove them. You can also search by category. Category is right under the search bar, so you can drop it down and see the categories that are set and just search there for what you're interested in. You can also search by campus. Many of the reports have been designated for a specific campus, so say you're at Southeast and you just want to see Southeast reports, you can do that. So it's also easy to request access to reports. Some reports are designated as being available to anyone within the university. So if you work here and you've signed an acceptable use agreement, you can see many reports. But other reports are secured differently, and if you don't have access to them, you can request it. If the report is an IUIE report, you'll request access the same way you always have. You'll have a screen to do that. And now, if it is a Tableau report, you'll also be able to request access via a new form. This is what it looks like. Today, we are getting ready to modify it a little bit. We're going to add some new fields that data managers have asked us to add, but this is it today. So if you click on a Tableau report, you don't have access, you can request access. IUIE reports look differently inside of DS than they do in the IUIE. We have put a new style sheet on them to make them fit more into DS and to make them look more modern. So I think they look really great with this style sheet. So other features are report centers, badging, custom icons, and banners. So report centers are another way to group reports together so that they're more easily found. This is the report center for my team, where we've grouped many of the reports that we use on a daily basis. And there is also report badging. This has to do with the data behind the report. So you can certify your data in different ways. So if your data comes from our central system, say our data warehouse, and it has been blessed by institutional research, it can get a platinum badging. Gold just means that the data came from central systems. Silver is a combination, and bronze means it came from departmental data. And up at the top of the screen, you can see an icon that's been badged as gold. We can also create an icon for you, so if you come to us and you want to publish your reports for your department, we have developers who can take some information from you and create a custom icon so that your reports will look really nice and pretty. And we can also do banners. So say you have a report and it's new and it's something that you want the entire university community to notice right away, we can put it on a scrolling banner. It is very easy to publish. There are two ways to do it. The easiest way of all is just send us an email, ds.iu.edu, and we'll publish your reports for you. If you have a lot of reports to publish, it is definitely possible to become a distributed publisher. To get started with that, you also send us an email at ds.iu.edu. So what can we publish there? Really, any report that is of interest to the university community or you want findable. It does need to be a report that's URL-based, so Tableau reports, IUIE reports, or others. We will ask you to fill out a little spreadsheet so we have the information that we need to do the publishing for you. On the screen is some of the information we need, but you send us an email and we'll tell you exactly what we need to publish for you. This is the publishing interface, so if you become a distributed publisher, I just want you to see how easy it is. It's right inside of DS. You just go to another location inside of it, into the publishing interface, click on Reports, click on a new report, and just fill out the information there. So it's very easy to get started. Oops. No, I don't think I can go back. But anyway, I am Julie Parmenter. My email address is jparment@iu.edu. And we do have a table out front, so if you want to ask any more questions, come out and see us. And the email address that you need to remember is ds@iu.edu. That's it.